In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Salesforce. This process is simple and straightforward, and by following along with me, you'll have your Salesforce system updated in no time. To start, navigate to the Salesforce homepage. You can do this by typing in the web address or through your browser's bookmarks if you have it saved. Once on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the login option there. Hover your cursor over it and get ready to dive into your Salesforce account. Next, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. If you have multiple options showing, or perhaps you use a different sign-in method, remember to select Salesforce to proceed. Enter your credentials, double checking your username and password to ensure accuracy. Logging in will take you straight into the world of Salesforce, where you'll have access to your dashboard and various features. Once inside, look again to the top right corner of your screen. This is where the Quick Settings menu resides. Go ahead and click on it. The Quick Settings menu is your gateway to accessing more advanced options in Salesforce. From this menu, select the option to open Advanced Setup. Advanced Setup is like the control center for your Salesforce system, where a lot of critical adjustments and updates are managed, so click on that and allow the page to load fully. Upon reaching the Advanced Setup section, focus on the Quick Find bar, which is usually located on the left-hand side or top of the page. This search bar is your friend and can save you heaps of time. Type in Release Update in the Quick Find bar. As you type, relevant results will begin to show, making it easier to locate the exact feature you need without scrolling endlessly or hunting through menus. Now, from the list of options that appear, click on Release Updates. This is the section where you'll find all the current and upcoming updates available for your Salesforce instance. This section ensures you remain informed about essential improvements and new features that can enhance your Salesforce experience. Finally, you'll see a list where you can update the features you want to enhance. This step is highly customizable, and you can choose what specific aspects of the system you want to update based on your business needs or personal preferences. Be sure to review any instructions or notes that accompany each update for a smooth implementation. And that's it. By following these steps, you have now successfully updated your Salesforce. These updates ensure that you're making the most of the platform's capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.